Okay, so if we've installed an alarm system with additional driver recognition, you might end up with a card like this. So the alarm immobiliser system that we install, when you use your factory remote control to disarm it, that's nice and convenient, but if somebody steals your factory remote control, they simply turn the system off as well. So this driver card adds another layer, if you like, of security. So you can see this driver card's turned on because it flashes, little light flashes in there once every 3 seconds. So that means it's transmitting once every 3 seconds. So when you unlock the vehicle and you've got this card in close proximity, it will switch our alarm and immobiliser off. If you've not got the card, there is an emergency PIN code procedure you can use to start the vehicle in an emergency if you've lost your card or your battery's flat in your card. If you've got a spare card, you can turn it off. I mean, typically the cards, you can leave them switched on all the time. We say change the internal CR2032 battery once a year, just to keep it nice and strong. You can turn the card off if you want to. If you press and hold the button, you'll see the LED remains on all the time you're holding the button. So you need to hold it for about 10 seconds until the LED goes out. There we go, LED's gone out there. So now you see it stop flashing once every 3 seconds. So that means that card is now switched off, so saving its battery life. So if you've got a spare card, you know, switch it off, keep it in storage. When you need it, the battery's nice and charged. To turn the card back on, it's a simple brief push, and then you'll see the LED will start to flash once every couple of seconds. So that's the card turned on and turned off if you need to.